Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are going to continue with the Excel using Python. So in the last lectures we have covered some topics like updating value of a specific cell, adding a new record, accessing individual rows and columns, and other things. Okay, so if you have missed those lectures you can just watch them out. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to see how to insert rows and columns here. Okay, so firstly there is one function or a method, you can say, insert rows and insert columns. These are the two things which we will be using to insert the rows and columns. So basically insert rows takes like this method of the worksheet object is used to insert an empty row or rows in it. Okay, and it accepts the two parameters, the row number before which the new rows to be inserted and the number of rows to be inserted. Okay, similarly insert columns method acts. Okay, just the name is different. Okay, so first we'll load the workbook here. Okay, and before this, so I have loaded the workbook. So let's see the values here. Okay, so here you can see these are the values. No empty records or no empty rows are available. Now what I will be doing here is ws, that is worksheet dot insert rows 3, and that means one row before third row. So before 789A it will have none values. Okay, and we can also insert rows before fifth. So 1 2 3 4 5 it will insert 2 rows. Okay, so let's check this out. So if I run this cell and if I run this again, you will see that at the third row we have one record of none values, and after fourth row we have 2. Okay, so you can consider this after second row insert one row, and after fourth row insert 2 rows. Okay, like that. So after fourth row insert 2 rows. Okay, but yeah, one more thing, if I load this. Okay, so if you want to save these things you need to run this command wb.save at the name of the Excel file. Okay, so if you can see in the sheet now, if I open the Excel, what is that? This is the Excel. You will see that no records are available, that is no empty rows are available. Okay, so let me close this and let me run this command wb.save. Okay, and now if I open the sheet you will see that there will be empty rows. So we have third empty row, and we have after fourth we have 2 empty rows. Okay, so this is how you can work it out. Okay, so this is insert rows command. So similarly we can insert the columns. So if you see we had a third row none and fourth and fifth row none, right? So we are inserting column before second column, that means after John Wick we are inserting one column, and we are inserting before fourth column, that is 2 3 4. Before A we are inserting 2 columns. So let's run this command and let run this command. So here you can see after John Wick 1 and before. Okay, so this also considers one command, like we inserted this. So before we could insert this it would have inserted two columns here, right? So now it is inserting here. So to have it in a better manner, let's save this workbook. Okay, and let's open this. So here you can see okay, let me expand this. Okay, so now you can see one row, one column is at second position before second column. Okay, where is it? Yeah, before second column. So this was the second column. So before second column we inserted, and before fourth column we inserted 2 columns. So this was the fourth column. So before that we inserted 2 columns. Okay, so this is how you can work with inserting rows and columns. Okay, so this was a short video. Hope you learned something from this video. So if you do hit the subscribe button, and then take care. Bye bye.